Well, moving on now, the rescue operation to prepare the escape route for those 41 workers who are trapped inside the Silkyara tunnel in India's Uttarkashi is underway. The rescuers working to bring, those 41 trapped workers out are now focusing on vertical drilling after the rescue operation was again halted after the auger machine had a technical snag.
Massive rescue operation is underway to evacuate the trapped workers in Uttarkashi in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. However, rescue operations once again faced hurdle after the auger machine broke down inside.
जहां रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस का सवाल आता है, कल से कुछ थोड़ी और ज्यादा अड़पड़ें आ गई हैं कि जो ऑगर जिसके ऊपर अभी तक पूरा दारोमदार था, जिस पे ज़्यादा फोकस था हमारा कि ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सेस हम बना रहे थे सीलियासार की तरफ से, जो सिल्कियार की तरफ से जो हम कोशिश कर रहे थे अंदर जाने की, मलबे के अंदर 62 मीटर 63 मीटर, वो जो अप्रोच है उसके अंदर कुछ बाधाएं आ गई हैं अब.
There are only few meters of debris left between rescuers drilling in from Silkyara end and the trapped workers. But officials say it is difficult to anticipate when this last leg of the operation will be completed.
जैसे हम 47 मीटर तक पहुंच गए हैं, तो आगे वो 57 भी हो सकता है, 60 भी हो सकता है, तो समझ लीजिए कि हमें 12-13 या मतलब 12-15 मीटर के बीच में हमें आगे और जाना है, जिसे हम मैनुअली रास्ता तय करना है. हमें वो 10 भी हो सकता है, वो 12 भी हो सकता है, 14 भी हो सकता है.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking stock of the rescue operation.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी प्रत्येक दिन हर प्रकार से मतलब कि कितनी वहाँ पर प्रोग्रेस हुई है, क्या परेशानी उसमें ऑपरेशन में आ रही है, अंदर सारे लोग सुरक्षित हैं, ठीक हैं, उनको भोजन पानी इत्यादि की सब व्यवस्था हो रही है और सभी प्रकार की चिंता कर रहे हैं.
The trapped workers are being provided food and medicines. Besides, video communication too has been established. The landline facility is being set up by BSNL at the tunnel to enable stranded workers to talk to their family members.
And our correspondent Dibyendu Mandal is now joining us from Uttarkashi, joining us live. Well, Dibyendu, first of all, tell us, what's the update on the alternatives after the auger machine has broken down?
Well, Mark, today there has not been much of a development here at the Silkyara tunnel site. Since morning, the work had stopped here. In fact, since last night itself, the auger machine failed and the work had stopped here. Today morning, there were high-level consultation happened between, in fact, amongst all the stakeholders here at the Silkyara tunnel. In fact, the Chief Minister, Pushkar Singh Dhami, the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, was also present in the meeting. And it has been decided that the tunnel will be approached from all the sides, which includes the vertical drilling, the side drift drilling, as well as the micro boring from the Barcode site, which is about 40 kilometers from here. So all these alternative methods are being worked on, but however, no work has begun since last night because the authorities are prepping up to ensure that no further problem or disaster could happens because of multiple drillings from all the four sides of the tunnel. So everything is being studied very carefully. The geology of all the four sides of the tunnel is being studied by experts who have come here from across different parts of the world. Today the Chief Minister has informed that a plasma cutting machine, which is a more advanced cutting machine that can cut through the debris, is being brought from Hyderabad. The Indian Air Force will be airlifting that machine to Dehradun's Jolly Grant Airport, from which after which the machine will be brought here at Uttarkashi. But however, the machine which was supposed to reach here by this evening has not come. But of course, the authorities say it's a huge machine and it will take some more time for the machine to come here, because
Yes.
From Dehradun to here, it's about 180 kilometers, and the machine will take some more time to reach here. So we are expecting that the plasma cutting machine could perhaps reach here by tomorrow afternoon, after which a decision will be taken on how to go about with the plasma cutting machine.
Yes.
But also let me tell our viewers that despite this deployment of the plasma cutting machine, the 20 meters which is left,
Yes.
the approximate 20 meters which is left, will also require much of manual in fact digging of the debris to reach to the workers, because the authorities are taking no chance, because
Yes.
this is in fact the third time, in fact the fourth time that the auger machine failed.
Right, Dibyendu, also since you've given us a total 360-degree view of what's likely to happen, tell us about the health of the workers currently. I mean, we know that they're getting food and all that, but what's the latest communication from them?
Well, the workers here seem to be pretty much healthy inside, because that's what the doctors here who are looking after them, as well as the counselors who are looking after, in fact, counseling them, have been telling us that they are doing well inside. But however, having said this, this is the 14th day that the workers are trapped inside. But despite that, the doctors here are trying their best efforts to ensure that their morale and spirits remain high, because we were speaking to some of the family members who had also spoken off the record. So they were expecting that the workers would be out maybe yesterday night or today morning, but when that did not happen and the news about the auger breaking down, they had somewhat became disheartened.
Yes.
The family members in fact had become disheartened, because they thought that they could reunite with their loved ones soon. But however, having said this, the workers are being looked after very well. They are being provided with warm clothes, food, water, electricity, and also a telecommunication line is trying to be set up here where they could communicate with their family members from inside the tunnel.
We'll leave it there. Thank you very much for those updates. Dibyendu Mandal reporting from Uttarkashi.